Oh, you're getting some cooking.
What are you doing, Charlie?
Alright, YouTube. So we're just getting ready to do some cooking. Make sure you wash your hands thoroughly. Use some hot water that kills bacteria better. Get a thorough scrub with that soap. Make sure you get rid of all that bacteria on your hands, all that dirt, all that grime. Cooking.
Doing a really good job learning how to cook, YouTube. You really want to make sure when you're cooking, wash your hands is essential. So, alright guys, make sure you're washing those hands before you cook.
Alright, fourth case. Guess we're gonna have to eyeball this. Really nuts. Is that about a quarter? Maybe a little more. That's good.
What's up, YouTube? Alright, you guys, just a quick update. We're at meal prep class still. Charlie's making some oats right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, massage all that. Nice job, Charlie.
Alright, YouTube. Getting some cooking action in. Some steel clothes. Yeah.
Alright, YouTube, here we go.
Right, now use some apricots. Yes. It's 8th cup.
Two apricots.
Some apricot action. Brown sugar. I put a little more for some extra sweetness.
Alright, YouTube, this is really important for taste. It's really important for making it sweet. So when you're eating it, it tastes really good.
Okay, now
This is a heaping scoop.
a nice heaping
Alright,
scoop.
YouTube. Mix it up in there.
Some massage action. Okay, now massage that.
Massaging is important. Alright guys, make sure you smash that like button, comment below, subscribe for more massage videos.
Oh no, we're fine.
YouTube, we're back. Just a quick update. We only have one more station to go to. Charlie, make sure you're using those safety gloves.
Shit, we messed up. Oh no, we did. We're not supposed to put the chicken broth in this mix.
Got all my food all prepped up. Alright guys, make sure you smash that like button, comment below, subscribe for some more cooking tutorials.